Happy Thursday, lovely people. Coupon and Crystal here with a Harris Teeter haul, guys. The new deals started at Harris Teeter this week on Wednesday, and they will run until Tuesday. So you've got some time to do these deals, guys. Now, the first deal I decided to do was on the Prego pasta sauce. The Prego this week at Harris Teeter is priced 3 for $5 or $1.67 each for one. So I actually had those 75-cent printables from coupons.com, guys. I printed those, and since my Harris Teeter does still double coupons, which is amazing, these are only 17 cents. The 75-cent coupons double to $1.50, and I actually got 3. So I got 1, 2, 3, all right? If those coupons are still available on coupons.com, I'm not quite sure, guys, because I had several in my binder, because every time I see them, I print them because I know they go on sale at Harris Teeter quite frequently. So go check it out. The next deal I decided to get, guys, was on the Gevalia Coffee. And this is actually K-Cups, all right? This is a 12-pack of K-Cups. I actually got the Colombian for my husband. These are on sale this week at Harris Teeter for $4.99, guys. Now, I did not have a coupon, but what I decided to do was use the $2 Ibotta rebate, which is going to drop the cost for the Gevalia to only $2.99 after that $2 Ibotta rebate, which I think is a great deal for some coffee. Now, let me tell you the other thing about this. The Gevalia also has a bonus attached to it. I think it's a breakfast bonus. I'll pop a picture up so you guys can see. So this is one of the items. So that's just put me a little closer to completing that bonus, where you have to buy some different items they have for you to choose from. Now, the next thing that I got, guys, was my Campbell's slow kettle soup that has the crumbles on the top. I really like the soup. Quite tasty, guys. Okay, so the Campbell slow kettle soup was priced 3 for $5 this week, making it be $1.67 each. So I decided to get 2 because my Ibotta rebate reset, and I must buy 2 to complete this rebate for $1. So the 2 for $1.67 was $3.34. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.34 in store. The $1 Ibotta rebate drops the cost to $2.34, making them only $1.17 each. I think that's pretty good because I take these to work and eat them. I think they're quite tasty. The next thing that I got, guys, was on the Pine Sol. This is a 40-ounce bottle of Pine Sol. Do you guys remember the other video that I told you guys I had printed off the Pine Sol coupon off the Pine Sol website when I found the Palermo Pizza website? Pine Sol was priced $3.99 in my Harris Teeter. The 85-cent coupon from pinesol.com doubles, which is great, to $1.70. So it took off $1.70 in store. I paid $2.29 in store, but there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.54 for the Pine Sol. I feel a little better paying $1.54 versus $3.99 for this. No, I'm not doing it. All right, the last deal I got was on the Skinny Pop. Now, I actually have opened this one. Can you tell? This is the aged white cheddar, and this is the sweet and salty. Now, these are on sale this week at Harris Teeter. $3.99, buy one and get one free. We have a $1 insert coupon, dropping the cost in store to $2.99, about $1.50 a bag. I don't think that's bad at all. This one, I actually opened it, and it's pretty good. I like this one. Now, the sweet and salty, I don't know what that one's going to taste like. Hopefully, it will be good as well. All right, lovely people, that is all for today's Harris Teeter haul. Let me know in the comments below the video if you guys plan on checking out Harris Teeter this week and what good deals you got, because maybe Coupon and Crystal wasn't aware. I kind of scanned. This was a lunchtime couponing deal, okay? So I didn't spend a lot of time. If you're not familiar with Harris Teeter, the coupon policy for the double coupon, 99 cents and under, will double, okay? So that's the reason why that 85-cent Lysol coupon doubled. The great thing about it is you can get some good deals, but you need to pay attention to your prices, because sometimes Harris Teeter is slightly higher because of the fact that they double coupon. Yeah, okay? And only 3 will double. Okay, so that, not 3 in the allotment, but 3 times. Like that, I can only do that coupon 3 times, except if the actual coupon itself trumps that, then you need to follow that, okay? Like if the coupon said limited 2, you can only use limited 2. You can't use 3, okay? That is really it. Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.